ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शाकल्य ब्राह्मण। Third question was Katame Vasava. How many Vasavas are there and what are they? How many Vasavas are there?
8.
Ashtavasu. And their names were given: Agni, Prithvi, Vayu, Antariksha, Aditya, Ityadi. Why are they called Vasu? Idam sarvam vasayanti vasanti cha. Te yasmad vasayanti tasmad vasavaha. Because they allow everything to stay in them. And therefore, they are called Vasus. So, Vasayanti, Vasanti cha, you have to take it that way, both. They also dwell, they make everything dwell in them. Further now. Katame Rudra iti dashe me purushe prana atmaika dashaste. यदा अस्मात् शरीरान् मर्त्याद् उत्क्रामन्त्य अथ रोदयन्ति तद् रोदयन्ति तस्माद् रुद्रा इति। Katame Rudra. Who are the Rudras? This is the question asked by Shakalya, Vidagdha. Yajnavalkya gives the answer. These 10, Dasha Ime. What are they? Purusha Prana. The 5 Jnanendriyas and 5 Karmendriyas. Atma Eka means Manaha. Atma here is Manaha. Ekadashas. Atma Ekadashas. Te Ekadasha Rudra. Why they are called Rudras? Yada Asmat Shariran Martyat Utkramanti Atha Rodayanti. When the Jivatma Asmat Sharirat Martyat Sharirat, from the Maranashila Sharira. So when Jivatma departs, then they also depart. When they depart, then Atha Rodayanti, they make the others cry. Actually, others cry because the Jivatma has departed, not because the Indriyas are departing. But this is how they are called Rudras. Tad yad rodayanti tasmat Rudra iti. So they make everyone cry. Therefore they are Rudras. Bhashya. Katame Rudra iti dashe me purushe karma buddhi indriyani prana. These dasha indriya, karma indriya, buddhi indriyani. They are called prana also. Gauna prana. And Atma means Manaha, Ekadasha. Ekadashanam Puranaha. Te ete Pranaha. Tika. Prana Shabdartham Aha Karma Buddhi Indriyani. ते यदा अस्मात् इत्यादि वाक्यम अनुसृत्य तेषां रुद्रत्वम् उपपादयति। अस्मात् शरीरात् मर्त्यात् प्राणिनां कर्मफल उपभोग क्षय क्षये क्षय मीन्स क्षये उत्क्रामन्ति अथ तदा रोदयन्ति तत्संबंधिनः। यदा अस्मात् शरीरात् मर्त्यात् फ्रॉम द मर्त्य शरीर मर्त्यात् टिप्पणी से मर्यमाण म्रियमाण म्रियमाण मीन्स he has not died yet, he is about to die. When कर्म फल उपभोग क्षये प्राणिनाम कर्म फल उपभोग क्षय, when the कर्म फल are over, jiva has to depart. उत्क्रामन्ति प्राणाः उत्क्रामन्ति. For ज्ञानी it will be said न तस्य प्राणा उत्क्रामन्ति. For अज्ञानी प्राणाः उत्क्रामन्ति. मरणकालः सप्तम्यर्थः. कर्मफल उपभोग क्षये, that is सप्तमी. Further also सप्तमी is given. अथ तदा रोदयन्ति तत्संबंधिनः. At that time it makes the संबंधीस cry. तत्र तत्र सप्तमी मरण काले. यस्माद् रोदयन्ति ते तत्संबंधिनस् तस्माद् रुद्रा इति. Therefore they are rudras. So 11 rudra एकादश. टिप्पणी 1 नंबर. रोदयन्ति उपलक्षणम एतत् रुदन्ति च. They also cry. They make others cry, but they also cry. तदुक्तम वार्तिके. रोदयन्तो द्रवन्त्येते रुदन्ति च यतस्ततः रुद्रा इत्यभिधीयन्ते प्राणा एकादशोदिताः. रोदयन्तो द्रवन्त्येते. रोदयन्तः एते द्रवन्ति. They themselves weep. रुदन्ति च, they also cry. They make others cry, they cry also. Therefore they are called Rudra. कतम आदित्या इति द्वादश वै मासाः संवत्सरस्य एत आदित्या एते हि इदं सर्वमाददानायन्ति ते यदिदं सर्वमाददानायन्ति तस्मादादित्या इति संवत्सरस्य एते. That's how you have to read. Katama Aditya, what are the Adityas? 12. Dvadasha. What are these 12? Dvadasha vai masaha, the 12 months of the year, Samvatsarasya. They are called Aditya. Ete Aditya. Ete hi idam sarvam adadana yanti. Adadana means while doing the grahanam. Adadana yanti. Adadana will be ekvachanam. Adadanaha bahuvachanam. Adadana hatu will be dane. Then shanach pratyaya. Lataha shatrusanacha prathama samanadhikarane. This sutra you have to remember. Shatru pratyaya, shanacha pratyaya is done by this sutra. Lataha shatrusanacha prathama samanadhikarane. And then Shanach, so an will be there. Da dhatu is there. Then juhotyadi gana dhatu, juhotyadibhyah shlu. Shlu will become shlau. Shlau sutra. So da, dvitva will happen. Then rasvaha. Da, an. Then da will become shnabhyastayorataha. Shnabhyastayorataha. So da will become the. So the dana. Ang upasarga purvak dadana. Bahuvachan adadana. These Adityas, they do grahanam. So you have to remember the dialogue between Yajnavalkya and Shakalya is this actual. Huh? So what is shown, if it is shown somewhere picturized, some Vedantic question and answer. There is no Vedantic question and answer between Yajnavalkya and Shakalya. All such questions are there, Anatma related. कथम भाष्य कथम आदित्य इति द्वादश वै मासाः संवत्सरस्य कालस्य अवयवाः प्रसिद्धाः एते आदित्याः. The 12 avayavas, 12 months of the year, they are called Adityas. Katham tika. Tesham Adityatvam aprasiddham. Nobody calls them as Aditya. They are not known as Aditya. Iti Shankate. So we may wonder, Shakalya asked the question, what are the Adityas? Yajnavalkya said these 12 months. And he said yes also. He could have said, no, they are not known. They are not prasiddha. If he wanted really to argue and not allow Yajnavalkya to take the cows, he could have argued, but must be prasiddha. How? Seen. Katham? In Bhashya. Ete hi yasmat punaha parivartamanaha praninam ayumshi karma phalam cha adadana grinhanta upadadato yanti gachanti. Ete hi yasmat, since these Adityas punaha parivartamanaha. Ete, see tippani masabhimaninaha. Mas abhimani devatas. These devatas are called Adityas. Punaha parivartamanaha. What do they do? Karma phalam cha adadana. So they take away the life. Prananam ayumshi, one, and karma phalam. Because karma phala, once it is experienced, it is over. So they go. This much quota of karma phala over. April month, karma phala quota over today. And ayu of one more month is over. I mean, they are not by April, May, etc. They are by the Kartika, Margashirsha, in those ways. Adadana grinhante upadadataha yanti gachanti. Taking away these things, they go. Taking away things, they go. Tika, ete hi ityadi vakya na uttarama. The answer is given through ete. Te yad yasmat evam idam sarvam adadana yanti tasmad aditya iti. Everything they take away. and they go. Yanti gachanti. Therefore, they are called Adityas. So, how many total devatas are there?
33.
33. Out of 33, Ashtavasavaha. Then Ekadasha,
Rudra.
Rudraha. And Adityaha, Dwadasha. So, how many are over?
31.
30. 31, correct. 31. So, two more are there now. Katama Indraha, Katamaha Prajapati Riti. Indra and Prajapati. Stanayitnureva Indro. Yajnaha Prajapati Riti. Katamaha Stanayitnu Riti. Ashani Riti. Katamo Yajna Iti. Pashava Iti. He says, which one is Indra? Which one is Prajapati? Stanayitnu ever Indra. Stanayitnu means lightning. Means Devata presiding over lightning. This way you should understand. Devata presiding over lightning is called Indra. Under lightning, etc. And Prajapati, who is Prajapati? Yajnaha is Prajapati. Katamaha Stanayitnuhu. What is Stanayitnu? It says Ashani. Ashani means actually Vajra. But here you have to take Ashani means Viryam, Balam. And what is Yajna? Katamo Yajna iti Pashu, Pashavaha. Pashus are Yajna. This is how Yajnavalkya gives answer. So on previous page, see 6 number Tippani. Karma phalam cha adadana. These Adityas, they take away karma phalam. What is karma phalam? Ayur, Viryam, Smritim, Prajnam, Saukumaryam, Vapuhu, Shriyam. All this is karma phalam. Iti evam adi vartikoktam. In Brahat Vartik, all this is there. Means all this we are losing every day. Ayuhu nashyati, that we know. Viryam. Every day, after certain age, we become weaker and weaker. Prajna, weaker. Smriti, ability to recollect, becomes weaker. Saukumaryam, that Kumarata, the tenderness is gone. Body becomes all rough only. Vapuhu, Shariram, and Shriyam. Shriyam, you can use it as Tejaha or Kanti, etc. All this we lose every day. See Bhashya. Katama Indraha, Katama Prajapati Riti, Stanayitnu Reva Indro, Yajna Prajapati Riti. 7 number Tippani, Stanayitnu Meghanad Abhimanini, Devata Eva Indra Ityartha. Meghanad, the thunder. Stanayitnu means lightning, but Meghanad means the thunder. So all of that, Abhimani Devata is called Indra. Katamaha Stanayitnu Iriti, Ashani Riti. Ashani. Ashani means Ashanihi Vajram. Indra's Vajra is called Ashani. Tippani, number 1. Ashanihi Vajra Aparaparyayam Balam Tasya Meghanad Abhimani Indra Nishthatvat Indratvam iti bhavata. Vajra is the meaning. Vajra means balam. Apara paryaya is balam. Because Vajra indicates balam. Where have you seen in Upanishad Vajra indicating balam? In Kathopanishad, is there a mantra which says Vajram Udyata?
Yes, Swamiji.
What is the mantra?
यदिदं किञ्च जगत्सर्वं प्राणैजति निःश्रितं महात्म्यं वज्रमुद्यतं य एतद्विदुरमृतास्ते
Mahadbhayam Vajram Udyatam. Mahadbhayam Vajram Udyatam. Ya etad vidur amrutaste bhavat. It is Mahadbhaya Karanam, Vajram. It is indicative of balam. Ashya. Vajram, Viryam, Balam. See, Bhagavan Bhashyakar writes some meaning based on some other Upanishad. Yad praninaha balam pramapayati sa indraha. Tika prasiddham vajram vyavartayati viryamiti. Tadeva sanghata nishthatvena sputayati. That viryam, when it is available in the entire Karyakarana Sanghata, it is called balam. Kintad balam iti chet tatraha yat praninaha pramapayati. Pramapanam hinsanam. Second number tippani. Pramapayati abhimanam utpadya yuddhadau pravartya hinasti. What does this Vajra do? Balam. Tippanikar says abhimanam utpadya. When you have balam, you will have abhimana. Once abhimana is there, yuddhadau pravartya. That person always wants to fight with someone. Balam is there, he cannot sit. Show me the enemy. Who is there? Whom should I fight with today? So then, yuddhadau pravartya hinasti. Then what will happen? That person will be destroyed. So, kaha pramapayati? Balam. Balam pramap. If you have strength and this abhimana comes, you will get challenge. You will challenge others. You will get challenged. You will fight. You will destroy. This is said about physical strength, but you also understand this for other things. Whenever we get abhimana of anything, let's say I have abhimana of talking. So I cannot keep quiet. Just like abhimana of balam does not let me sit quietly. This abhimana also. If somebody says something, immediately I will say something. And sometimes even if nobody says anything, still you have to say something. So then what is said in Tippani? Abhimanam utpadya. Then yuddhadau pravartya. You will get engaged in some conversation. Unnecessarily. Then hinasti. Then you will bring destruction to yourself. That's why Maunam Vyakhyanam is best. प्रमापणम हिंसनम कथम तस्य इंद्रत्वम उपचारात् इत्याह। इंद्रत्वम इज उपचारात्, स इंद्र, इंद्रस्य ही तत्कर्म। दिस इज व्हाट इंद्र डज। He will bring you to the yuddha by abhimana, then he will destroy you. Katamo yajna iti pashavaha iti. What is yajna? Pashus. Pashunam yajnatvam aprasiddham. Pashu is yajna, this is not prasiddha iti ashankyaha. Yajnasya hi sadhanani pashavaha. Yajna sadhanam is pashu. Karane karyopacharam sadhayati. What is karya and what is karana in this context?
Karane Pashu.
Karana is pashu. In pashu, yajna is the karya. Karya upacharam sadhayati. 5 and 6 number two. यज्ञस्य अरूपत्वात् पशु साधन आश्रयत्वाच्च पशवो यज्ञ इत्युच्यते। यज्ञस्य अरूपत्वात्, यज्ञ doesn't have any रूpa. पशु साधन आश्रयत्वाच्च, but it is पशु साधन आश्रय, therefore पशवः यज्ञ. It is said पशवः यज्ञ. टीका अमूर्तत्वात् साधन व्यतिरिक्त रूप अभावात् यज्ञस्य पश्वाश्रयत्वाच्च पशवो यज्ञ इत्युच्यते इत्यर्थः। अमूर्तत्वात्, it is not मूर्त, it is अमूर्त. 7 number टिप्पणी निरवयवत्वात्, यज्ञ is अमूर्त, निरवयव. Pashu has avayavas. Sadhana vyatirikta rupa abhavat. So its rupa is nothing but sadhana itself. Yajna is actually sadhya by the sadhana. Sadhana has rupa. Pashu. But we have to remember, all yagas, all yajnas are not involved with Pashu only. Some are only with Dadhi and Payasa, etc. And some have Somarasa. But this is general answer. Yajnasya pashvashkratvacha pashavo yajna ityuchyate ityartha. Yajna is pashu ashrita. Yajnasya pashu ashrayatvam. So, pashu आश्रयो यस्य यज्ञस्य, therefore पशवः यज्ञ इत्युच्यते इत्यर्थः. So 33 is over. Now six devatas. कतमे षड् इति अग्निश्च पृथिवी च वायुश्च अन्तरिक्षञ्च आदित्यश्च द्यौश्चेत् चैते षडेते हि इदं सर्वं षड् इति. Katame Shat, what are the 6 devatas? Iti. Agnisha Prithvicha, Agni, Prithvi, Vayu, Antariksha, Aditya, and Dyauhu. Dyauhu means Dyuloka. Swarga. These 6 are the devatas. So these 6 alone are 33. These 33 alone are 3,306. 6. भाष्य य एव अज्ञादयो वसुत्वेन पठिताः चंद्रवसं नक्षत्राणि च वर्जयित्वा षड् भवन्ति. So those devatas, if you give up the Chandrama and Nakshatra, the Vasu, they alone are the 6. Shad bhavanti. Shad sankhya vishishtaha. Ete hi pratikam adaya vyachashte. So etehi pratikam adaya. Where is the pratikam?
षडेतेहि
No, where is it? Shadetehi. Shadetehi is there
मंत्र
in the mantra. So pratika he takes from mantra. Who takes from mantra? The pratika bhashyakara. Etehi he gives. Then he says yasmat. Etehi is the pratika. He means yasmat. Yasmat trayastrimshad adi. Trayastrimshad adi yaduktam idam sarvam ete eva shad bhavanti. What is said as trayastrimshad adi? The trayastrimshad traya sahasra in this way. All of that is this 6 only. Sarvam ete eva shad bhavanti. These 6. Tika. Yat trayastrimshad adi uktam. Tat sarvam ete eva yasmat tasmat ete shad bhavanti iti yojana. This is how they are these 6. They alone become everything. Aksharartham uktva vakyartham aha. Aksharartha is explained. What is the vakyartha? Sarvo hi vasavadi vistara. Everything is vistara of vasu. Ashtavasus. From that you remove Chandrama and Nakshatra. The remaining 6 are all. Eteshu eva shatsu antarbhavati ityartha. In these 6 alone, there is antarbhava of all. Now next is 3. Katame te trayo deva iti ima eva trayo loka eshu hi ime sarve deva iti katamau tau dvau deva vityannam chaiva pranascheti katamo adhyardha iti yoyam pavata iti. Katame te trayo devaha. What are those 3 devatas? Iti. Ime eva trayo lokaha. These 3 worlds, bhuvu, bhuvaha, swaha, they are the 3 devatas. Why? Eshu hi ime sarve devaha. In this alone, all devatas are included. Katamau tau dvau. Now after 3, 2. So what are those 2 devatas? He says annam cha eva pranascha. Annam and pranam. They are the 2 devatas. Yes. Next question is Katamo Adhyardha, that 1.5. In Hindi we say dead. Adhyardha iti. Yoyam pavata iti. That which blows, that which flows. Wind. Pavate, pavana. This is the 1.5 devata. Katame te trayo deva iti. Ime eva trayo lokaha iti. These 3 worlds are the 3 devatas. Prithivim agnim cha ekikritya eko devo. Antariksham vayum cha ekikritya dvitiyo. Divam adityam cha ekikritya tritiya. So earlier there were 6. Now they have become 3. So what did he do? This is the ekikarana. Prithvi and Agni, only Prithvi he kept. Agni is included. Antariksha and Vayu. In the Antariksha there is Vayu. This is Bhuvaha, Loka. Vayu is gone, Antariksha. And Divam Adityam, Swarga and Aditya ekikritya tritiyas. Te eva trayo deva iti. These are the 3 devatas. Tika. Pratignya samapta viti shabdaha. Pratignya, and that answer is given. Therefore, iti. Trayo deva iti. Tatra hetuhu. Why only these 3 are considered as 3? Why not the other ones? येषु हि यस्मात् त्रिषु देवेषु सर्वे देवा अंतर्भवन्ति. In these devatas alone, all the other devatas antarbhava is there. Tena ete eva devaha trayaha. Therefore, these three alone are considered as devatas. Iti esha tika. देवलक्षणकृतां केषाञ्चित् एष पक्षो दर्शितो अन्येषां तु त्रयो लोका इत्यस्य यथा श्रुतो अर्थ इत्याह. देवलक्षणकृतां केषाञ्चित् एषः पक्षो दर्शितः. So those who do devalakshana, their paksha is shown. This is keshanchit eshah paksha. Anyasham, the others, what do they say? Troyo loka iti asya yatha shruto arthaha. Yatha shruto arthaha, 8 number tippani. Bhur bhuva swariti. Troyo loka eva troyo deva iti yatha shruto artha. They just say bhur bhuva swa. Actually, it's not very different because Prithvi is bhu, Antariksha is bhuvaha, and Devhu is swaha. Which is called here as Divam. येषु हि अस्मात् त्रिषु देवेषु भाष्य सर्वे देवा अंतर्भवन्ति तेन एते एव देवास्त्रय इति एषः नैरुक्तानां केषाञ्चित् पक्षः. कतमौ त्वौ द्वौ देवौ इति. What are the two now? 3 is over, now 2. What are the 2 devatas? Annam chaiva pranascha. Annam and prana. Etau dvau devau anayoho sarvesham uktanam antarbhavah. Etau dvau devau anayoho sarvesham uktanam antarbhavah. In these two, all the others, their antarbhava is there. So you have to read what is given in Tippani number 1. That is how you have to form the sentence. Because a sentence doesn't look complete. So Tippanikar says, you have to read it like this. Katham etaveva dvau devau iti. Because that katham is not given. Eto dvau devau. Katham eto dvau devau. It says anayoho sarvesham uktanam antarbhava. All the others, their antarbhava is in this. Katamo adhyarda iti yo ayam vayu. This vayu is the 1.5 devata. Ekasya adhyardhatvam akshipati. You gave only one answer and you are saying it is 1.5. How 1 is 1.5? Mantra. Ahur yadayam eka ivaiva pavatetha katham adhyardha iti yadasmin nidam sarvam adhyardhano tenadhyardha iti katama eko deva iti prana iti sa brahma tyaditya chakshate tad ahuhu. They say like this. What? Yad ayam eka iva, this one, as if it blows, moves, as one, pavate, atha. Katham adhyardha, then how it is 1.5? Then Yajnavalkya gives the answer. Iti yad asmin idam sarvam adhyardhanot tena adhyardha iti. This adhyardhanot rudhu vruddhau is the dhatu. Rudhu vruddhau. स्वादिगण परस्मै पद धातु कर्तरी लंग लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन और धनोत इज द शब्द अधि उपसर्ग और धनोत कर्तरी लंग लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन therefore it is called adhyartha because when it is there everything grows, everything sustains itself. Vayu is the one, the air, what we call as oxygen. Human beings, living beings, the plants, etc., other animals, we all sustain only on. So it also grows. Therefore, Katama Eko, next is one. What is that one deva? Eko deva iti prana iti. It is prana. It's called Brahma. It's called Tyat. Brahma here means Hiranyagarbha, Sutratma. You will see the Tippani in the next page later. We can see now itself. See Tippani on page 889. असौ इत्यपेक्षायाम् आह स प्राणो ब्रह्म सूत्रात्म रूपेण सर्व कार्याणां भरणात् कारणभूतो ब्रह्म इति भण्यते. कारण रूप ब्रह्म ब्रह्म त्यत् इति परोक्षाभिधायकेन शब्देन आचक्षते. To that tam pranam brahma tyat, in this way परोक्ष अभिधायकेन शब्देन आचक्षते. प्राणविदः, those who are the knowers of prana. साक्षान् निर्देष्टुम अशक्यत्वात् इत्यर्थः. Directly they cannot refer to it, therefore परोक्षत्वेन आचक्षते. तथा च वार्तिके, and there is one vartika, साक्षान् निर्देशनुत्यर्थं कारणत्वावबुद्धये प्राणं ब्रह्म त्यदित्याहुः पारोक्षेण महाधियः. साक्षात निर्देश नुति अर्थम कारणत्व अवबुद्धये. To remove निर्देश नुति means to eliminate साक्षात निर्देश. पारोक्षेण महाधियः प्राणम ब्रह्म त्यत् इति आहुः. The wise people, they call it as tyat, parokshena. Why? Karanatva avabuddhaye, so that we know what is karanam. भाष्य तत्र आहुश्चोदयन्ति यदयं वायुर एक एव एक इव एव एक एव पवते अथ कथम अध्यर्थ इति. हाउ डू यू से इट इज 1.5? इट इज ओनली one which blows. इव शब्दस्तु कथम इति अत्र संबध्यते. एक इव कथम, that is how it is one, then 1.5 परिहरति. यद अस्मिन् इदं सर्वम् अध्यार्धनोत् अस्मिन् वायौ सति इदं सर्वम् अध्यार्धनोत् अधिवृद्धिं प्राप्नोति. They all means वृद्धिं अधिप्राप्नोति. व्यवहिताश्च उपसर्ग will go with प्राप्नोति. तेन अध्यर्थ इति. That's why it is called अध्यर्थ. कतम एको देव इति प्राण इति. What is that one devata? Prana iti. So now this eka devata is where we are going to start from. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।